Celebration TV, if you mute this sound, as I'm talking, if you mute it, if I want to sue that man, I'll make money. Because it has damaged my filling stations, damaged my pump, damaged many things. We didn't talk, we replaced it. I know at least 14 people who are dead to that trailer. Is that true? After service. A Dangote trailer. A trailer that wastes destinies. A trailer that is anointed to ruin people's life. The man's trailer has ruined and cut short many destinies. Dangote trailer. And somebody is rich and his trailer. I'm not even talking about properties that we have damaged. Am I saying the truth? Me talking, me personally. If I want to sue that man, I will make money. Because it has damaged my filling stations, damaged my pump, damaged many things. We didn't talk, we replaced it. I know at least 14 people who are dead to that trailer. So that 14, I know 14. The drivers are untrained, no driver license, and always high. Celebration TV, if you mute this sound, as I'm talking, if you mute it, you can't be wasting people's destiny like that. Little children graduate from school, bam, leg removed, hand removed. Because one man wants to meet her. And you see the young boys, they walk over time. You can see them that they have been driving for like 2 days. No sleeping. There are things that are unavoidable, but that kind of death is avoidable. What kind of human being is that? Your truck is just, now let you get truck. Some of us have trucks. Now let you get truck. Am I communicating here? Evil day. Imagine somebody just finished school and he's happy, he's going the next day, truck, boom, leg gone, head gone, hand gone, wasted. I may not blame him personally, but I blame the administration. You don't carry a truck and give to somebody that is high. It's all a lot of nonsense. Are you following what I'm talking about? I told you no. During the I say if one sin is crushed in this state again, then that man will be in trouble. So if one person is crushed, I said, see, my church on the express, if one person is crushed again, even as much as even threatening them and giving them blood pressure, I said there will be consequences. Give your truck to people that are trained. Now let you get truck. If you have money for yourself. A particular mama may be aware, the mama that died and the children, you're not aware of that. She was a widow during the time of, you are aware, all right? Some are aware. You are aware, mommy. It was Governor Baseki that killed that matter. I was about to take it to anywhere. Killed the woman, died. Another one was a couple, 4 children. The truck climbed them. Let's not talk about Jetu. You know Jetu Junctions, all those ones. Just killing people. Just be killing people like that. Huh? Now let you get truck. You know me, I don't say anything until it comes to life and property. Economy, I won't talk. That's for politicians. But when you start taking people's lives, Hello? Evil day. Somebody wakes up not knowing an evil day has been programmed. Second, evil men. Evil men. There